Hi, this is Sarah McClellan with Pixels and Pills. We're at the Multi-Channel Pharma Marketing Event, and I'm standing here with Professor Marc Duey from Westchester University. Would you be able to give us a little bit of background of where you're coming from and how you're at the conference?
Sure. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
It's a nice day today, and it's nice to be here at the Multi-Channel Marketing Conference. Today is the second day of the conference, and we are wrapping up fairly soon. It's been very interesting, and a number of fascinating changes are taking place today in marketing, particularly as it affects the pharmaceutical industry and social marketing policies in particular. I'm from the University of Westchester University of Pennsylvania, located in Westchester, Pennsylvania, and we have a very special program at Westchester dealing with the pharmaceutical industry. We have a pharmaceutical product development program at the undergraduate level, which is a unique program, interdisciplinary. It's rather hard to get into, but it's a great program. And I also teach marketing at the MBA level in strategic marketing. Now, one of the things that's fascinating at this particular venue has been the emphasis on the many things that are changing. Not only is the regulatory environment related to social media and electronic marketing clearly being heightened with DDMAC getting a new office and elevating itself with a deputy director, and we're anticipating some new guidelines. And so as marketers and as the industry evolves, we'll have to be very cognizant of those changes. Yesterday there was a fascinating presentation by David Kramer, the CEO at Digitas, also responsible for Razorfish. These are leaders in the digital media area, serving the pharmaceutical industry on a worldwide basis. And his presentation highlighted this whole series of major changes that are going to take place. One of the things he focused on, though, which I'd like to really briefly comment on, is that the emphasis he made on the gradual and incremental changes that are needed that are going to be the result of using reporting techniques and measurement techniques. At Westchester University, we focus on, among other things, the analytical components of how the pharmaceutical industry of the future will be emphasizing and well as using measurement techniques. So I think it's very interesting to see that the leaders here at the conference and the thought leaders are recognizing that the future of social media, while being highly impacted by regulatory environment, its future success will be very much a function of measuring and monitoring and developing new techniques, because these techniques don't exist today. It's not as easy as simply counting up prescriptions. It's a very dynamic and will require novel methodologies and viewpoints to get through all of the noise and all of the various voices that are found on the internet as patients are becoming more empowered and pharmaceutical companies are trying to assess, collate, and bring to bear some kind of coherent and concise logical interpretation of the many voices that are out there, disease therapy by disease therapy. So it's a fascinating area, and it's going to be very interesting to observe it over the next few years.
Yes, we've heard a lot of people who have been really impressed with sort of the ideas and the innovation coming through this, you know, the analytics of social media. So we appreciate you talking about that with us today, and we hope to see you at another conference coming up soon. This is Sarah McClellan with Pixels and Pills.